This is a lecture from OpenTuition. To benefit from the lecture, you should download the free lecture notes from opentuition.com.
So let's look at an example question that could be a multiple choice question, similar to maybe what you've seen from, say, the financial accounting days, whereby it's just a test of the knowledge as opposed to the actual application with regards to the numbers. So here you've got the question that says at the top, which of the following statements are correct? Okay, 1, 2, 3. And then you've got the options A, B, C, and D, and then there's a combination of all the various possibilities. Okay, so what have we got? Number 1, it says capitalized development expenditure must be amortized over a period not exceeding 5 years. Well, if it has a finite life, it will be amortized, but it will be amortized over that finite life, won't it? Okay, that finite life could be 5 years, could be 10 years. It depends upon the life attached to that patent and the life attached to the license, doesn't it? Okay, so that is not correct. Okay, that is incorrect, isn't it? Number 2, capitalized development costs are shown in the statement of financial position under the heading of non-current assets. Sounds correct to me. Assets are on the SFP. An intangible is a non-current asset because it's going to generate us revenues, benefits for greater than 1 year, isn't it? So therefore, it will be non-current. And then number 3, it says if certain criteria are met, research expenditure must be recognized as an intangible asset. Don't get confused with the bit talking about the criteria. Research is expensed. Okay, yeah, the criteria only apply to your development costs, don't they? Not to the research costs. Research costs are always expensed. Okay, so therefore that is incorrect. Therefore, if we look at the answers A, B, C, or D, the only one that is correct is number 2, which is therefore answer A.